In this free rock sculpting tutorial, I will show you how you can sculpt a single modular rock and use it to create bigger rock formations. I'll go through my sculpting workflow and share some of my more useful techniques in more detail, as well as show you how I use alphas to quickly add believable details to both the rocks and ground of the scene. I'll talk about the rendering process and show you my post-process workflow in Photoshop on how to create a painted look that doesn't require actual painting skills. You can find and watch the tutorial for free in the link in the video description, as well as download every tool and resource used and created in the tutorial, such as brushes, Photoshop files, scene files, and the modular rock. So feel free to follow along or create something entirely different. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you happen to find it useful, please like, share and follow, so we can continue to create more free products in the future. Thank you.